Have you ever imagined a world without banks or traditional financial institutions? A world where you have complete control over your own money? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. This 14-minute guide will demystify this revolutionary technology. We'll break down complex concepts into easy to understand terms. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only online. It's changing how we think about and use money. This video is your crash course on everything cryptocurrency. We'll cover the basics from how it works to its potential impact on the future. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets of cryptocurrency and its potential to reshape the financial landscape as we know it. Let's get started. Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger is shared across a vast network of computers. This is the blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary technology that ensures transparency and security in every transaction. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of blockchain. We'll explore how it works, its benefits, and why it's considered one of the most disruptive technologies of our time. From understanding how transactions are recorded to the role of miners, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how cryptocurrency works. This knowledge will empower you to participate in this exciting new financial frontier. Don't just witness the future of finance, understand it. Let's demystify cryptocurrency together. Imagine a network. This network isn't controlled by any single entity. This is the essence of decentralization, a core principle of cryptocurrency. It means no central authority, like a bank or government, can manipulate or control the currency. This decentralized nature is a game changer. It eliminates the need for intermediaries. It gives you, the user, direct control over your money. This level of control and autonomy is unprecedented in the financial world. But how does decentralization work in practice? The answer lies in the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a public ledger. It records every single transaction across the network. And because this ledger is distributed across countless computers, it's incredibly secure and transparent. Let's break down the blockchain further. Imagine a chain of blocks. Each block contains a batch of verified transactions. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming an immutable record of all activity. New transactions are constantly being added to the network. These transactions are grouped and put into a block. But before a block can be added to the chain, it needs to be verified. This is where miners come in. Miners are like digital auditors. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the blockchain. This process is known as mining. Section 3, proof of work, securing the network. This mining process is essential for the security of the blockchain. The mathematical problems miners solve are incredibly difficult. This ensures that it's extremely difficult and costly for anyone to tamper with the blockchain. This mechanism is called proof of work. It's a way to ensure that only valid blocks are added to the chain. It also makes the blockchain incredibly resistant to attacks. The miner who successfully adds a block to the chain is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This incentivizes miners to participate in the network and maintain its security. In essence, proof of work creates a system where the security of the network is in the best interest of all participants. Your digital signature, public and private keys. Imagine you're sending a secret message. Cryptography ensures only the intended recipient can read it. In cryptocurrency, cryptography secures transactions. Public and private keys are at the heart of this security. Your public key is like your account number. Share it to receive cryptocurrency. Your private key is like your PIN code. Keep it secret to authorize transactions. This combination ensures only you can authorize transactions. Section 2. Unlocking the transaction. Cryptography in action. Now, let's see how these keys work in a transaction. Imagine you want to send some Bitcoin to a friend. You initiate the transaction using your digital wallet. Your wallet uses your private key to sign the transaction. This digital signature is like your confirmation. It proves that you authorized the transaction. This signed transaction is then broadcast to the network. Miners verify the transaction using your public key. They ensure the signature is valid and you have enough Bitcoin. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain. This process happens securely and transparently thanks to cryptography. Bitcoin, the pioneer of digital gold. Let's talk about Bitcoin. It's the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Created in 2009, Bitcoin was designed to be a digital form of cash. It allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold. It's scarce, divisible, and easily transferable. Just like gold, there's a limited supply of Bitcoin. This scarcity contributes to its value. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on its own blockchain. This blockchain is maintained by a global network of miners. These miners ensure the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin has paved the way for a new era of financial innovation. It's used for online payments, remittances, and even as an investment asset. Now let's explore Ethereum. It's more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for creating decentralized applications. These applications run on smart contracts. Think of smart contracts as self-executing agreements. They automatically enforce the terms agreed upon by the parties involved. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and ensures trust and transparency. Ethereum has its own cryptocurrency called Ether. It's used to fuel transactions and power applications on the Ethereum blockchain. This blockchain is also maintained by a network of miners. Ethereum has opened up a world of possibilities, from decentralized finance or DeFi to non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Ethereum is at the forefront of blockchain innovation. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's a vast universe of cryptocurrencies. These are often referred to as altcoins, short for alternative coins. Each altcoin has its unique features and purposes. Some altcoins focus on privacy, offering enhanced anonymity for transactions. Others aim to improve upon Bitcoin's technology, offering faster transaction speeds or lower fees. It's important to note that not all altcoins are created equal. Some may be riskier investments than others. It's crucial to do your research and understand the purpose and technology behind each altcoin before investing. The world of altcoins is constantly evolving. New cryptocurrencies are emerging all the time, each with the potential to disrupt different industries. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of the cryptocurrency world, miners. Miners solve complex mathematical problems. They secure the network by verifying transactions. Think of miners as digital guardians. They add new transactions to the blockchain. Their work ensures network security. By solving problems, they create verified blocks. This process, called mining, requires significant computing power. Miners prove their work to add new blocks. This system ensures blockchain integrity. Decentralization. What does it really mean? No single entity controls the network. It's like a digital democracy. This brings numerous benefits. It eliminates intermediaries like banks, more resilient to censorship, but it has challenges. Scalability is a main issue. Transactions can become slower and expensive. Regulation is difficult. Despite challenges, decentralization drives cryptocurrency. Your digital vault. Choosing the right wallet. Imagine a digital vault where you store your cryptocurrency. This is what a cryptocurrency wallet is. It's not a physical wallet, but a software or hardware application that stores your public and private keys. Remember, your private keys are the keys to your cryptocurrency kingdom. Losing them means losing access to your funds. That's why choosing a secure and reliable wallet is crucial. There are several types of wallets to choose from. Software wallets are applications you download to your computer or smartphone. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices designed specifically for storing cryptocurrencies. Online wallets, also known as web wallets, are accessed through a web browser. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of security, convenience, and accessibility. Protecting your assets. Security. Best practices. Choosing the right wallet is just the first step. You also need to follow security best practices to protect your cryptocurrency assets from theft or loss. First and foremost, never share your private keys with anyone. Remember, your private keys are like the PIN to your bank account. Keep them safe and secure. It's also crucial to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your wallet and any exchange accounts you may have. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Be wary of phishing scams. Phishing emails or websites may try to trick you into revealing your private keys or other sensitive information. Always double-check the URL of a website before entering your login credentials. The future of finance, decentralization, and beyond. From blockchain technology to secure wallets, let's gaze into the future this technology promises. Imagine financial systems more open and accessible. Cryptocurrency can reshape finance, empowering all. Cross-border transactions could become faster and cheaper, fostering global economic growth. DeFi offers alternative financial opportunities, but adoption faces hurdles like scalability and regulation. The future of cryptocurrency is dynamic and evolving. Embracing the crypto revolution. Your journey starts now. This guide has equipped you with a foundational understanding of cryptocurrency. You've delved into blockchain, explored cryptocurrencies, and learned to secure your assets. This is just the beginning of your crypto journey. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and evolving. Stay curious, continue learning, and embrace this groundbreaking technology. The future of finance is in your hands. thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and share this video